Key point 2. Your willpower is strongest in the morning time. What is the difference between an average and a successful worker? An average worker shelves the most tedious tasks till the evening, worry of approaching them. Eventually, they never reach them under the weight of workday exhaustion. Instead, successful people know that productivity starts when the sun rises, and it's difficult to replicate the willpower that drives our mornings later in the day. Willpower never restocks during the day. Smart use is the only experiment you can put it through. Conventional workers schedule their evenings for workout sessions, but in most cases, it is difficult to make time for exercise, especially when deadlines loom and your nagging boss is at your throat. Instead, people who are serious about working out do so early in the morning. This approach takes discipline, as only the discipline would defy morning madcaps. According to the study by Roy F. Baumeister, a prominent social psychologist, willpower drops with respect to increasing exhaustion. To compare, think about how our muscles are also susceptible to fatigue. Similarly, our determination decreases during the day. You may have noticed a parallel between those impulsive lapses that are more common later in the day. If you are sticking to a diet, it is easier to refrain from eating things you shouldn't in the morning. Yet you start cutting yourself slack in the evening as your self-discipline runs dry. Like bodybuilders who endure pain to bulk up, you can develop persistence by diverging tedious tasks into habits. Your self-discipline regularly scatters from work tasks, hard thinking, communication, and online presence. The smartest decision is to crush the most challenging tasks, like working out or boring work, while your willpower is fresh and intact. Eventually, these unpleasant activities become more habitual through endurance and repetition. Once you get to this level, taking on early morning productive activities becomes easier since they are now part of your habits. More so, accomplishing them will no longer require a strain on your endurance, conserving it for other arduous tasks. An illustrative example is brushing teeth. A habit does not demand extra willpower for its completion. Once things become habitual, they operate as automatic processes, which consume less willpower. Roy F. Baumeister, Ph.D.,